Making Money Part 2. Use these top tips and recommendations. TikTokers are making big bucks on this app. Get started with these proven methods. Affiliate marketing. Currently, TikTok will not allow you to include a link on posts. Ask your audience to use a specific coupon code that is associated to your affiliate marketing effort. This can help you with increasing the amount of affiliate sales you generate through TikTok. Stay away from promoting B2B products. Consumer products will perform better because the age range of users is generally very young. You can get a domain that's easy to spell, and remember, then tell viewers to visit this website. You could also sport a t-shirt, lift a sign, or have the domain name displayed on a whiteboard where you are recording. Include a link of your site within your bio. Capture email addresses if you can, as you can target your audience with other affiliate products in the future. Number 5. Serve as an influencer agency. The next method is to connect influencers with companies looking to market their products and services. So this is already being done on other social media platforms, but to clarify, you would be set up as an agency and serve as the go-between for influencers and companies. You would make money by charging a service fee to manage and coordinate the effort, ensuring that the agreement is completed and the clients are satisfied. Essentially, you are helping influencers earn money from companies. Promote your own products. Have a Shopify account or a store on Amazon? Do you run a dropshipping business? Run subliminal ads to drive traffic to your shop. Increase demand for specific products. Become a consultant. Once you've mastered TikTok, become a consultant for companies and celebs looking to build a presence on TikTok. As of now, there aren't many TikTok consultants, but once you know how to get the account views that celebs and companies desire, take the leap and optimize your income potential. Celebs and companies don't understand the trends and culture on TikTok and are looking for experts to provide consulting services. Be a creative storyteller or production expert. If you are a natural-born storyteller or have a background in production, but you're not TikTok famous, you can still charge money to lead creative strategic methods. Essentially, you are offering valuable management services. These services are in demand because there are TikTokers that have gone viral with little knowledge to manage their account. Users are looking for guidance on how to run their TikTok account like a business due to their recent success on the app.